Okay, so today I'm going to be making a simple bottle opener. It's very easy, won't take very long, and I'm going to show you how I make a two-sided isolation without using a guillotine tool. Okay, so this is a really simple way of creating a two-sided taper rather than half on, half off over the far edge of the amble, which will only create a one-sided isolation. So I'm just using 2 round bars just to knit that material together. So we've got about, 1 centimetre width there, and isolation. So what I'm going to do now is just come in here and take these corners off to begin to forge just a backward taper. So now I'm just taking a curve-faced hammer and just working this. Just flattening it out so it's all even width. Just coming in, get that a bit more even. Also just knock that corner off there. Okay, so next heat, I'm going to come in and punch the hole for the bottle opener. Okay, so this is just a simple slot punch. I'll line myself up in the middle. Just do a hit, have a look if I'm centred. Every time, just take it out, let it cool, the tool that is. I'm turning it over, again, get myself centred. Punching that slug out, not my anvil that time. One more. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to use the slot punch to open this up a little bit more, just so we can get a round drift into it. I'm just coming in with a round drift, get in the middle of that. Don't hammer on it too long. Just Just wait for that heat just to come back in there. Flip it over. Okay, so I've just come over to this anvil. It has a smaller hardy hole, so we've got a bit more support on the underside to drive this through. Just keep going until you get that black circle and then let the heat come back in. Flip it over, drive through again. Just have small heats. Making sure I get the right side. Now I'm just going, knocking these corners off, working it round. Again, I'm just coming in here, knocking this corner off, giving it a bit of a better aesthetic. I'm just flattening it off and just going to put a bit more shape into the end of it, just so it'll catch on the lid so you can open it a bit better. Now, just got a bowl fuller and I'm just going to create this lip which will go under the lid. Work the corners in as well. Just angle the tool a bit. Follow the lines down, just blend it all together. Now I'm just cutting it to length from that shoulder to 8.5 centimetres, just roughly. Just mark it. So now I'm getting close to the end. Just bring it onto the step and just bring that cut through, just so I don't ruin that part of the anvil. There we go. So now I'm just going to put a slight bend in it, just so it fits a bit better in the hand. Just using the ball peen over the hardy hole. Doesn't need much. Try to get it even. And then just come over here and just flatten that back down. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to give this a wire brush just to make it a bit more pretty. Now I'm just taking a rag, it's just got some beeswax on, and I'm just rubbing it onto the bottle opener. just to finish it so it doesn't rust, and it makes it a bit darker as well. This is still quite hot, you can tell by the smoke, but that means it'll have a good finish on, sort of burning the wax onto it. There we go. Okay, so that's it. It's just a simple bottle opener. There's loads of videos on YouTube and things about how to make them. Really simple. Just a reverse tape, a bit of a curve in it so it's a bit better in the hand. Nice, simple, easy to do. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.